Hi everyone! In this video, we'll walk you through how reports work in Expensya. A report is an indicative term to refer to invoices related to the same event or to the same period. It is a sort of an expenses box. To create one, you must go to the Report panel. Then press on Plus Report. For example, I will create a report for my invoices of August. Use the Save button to create it and open it directly. Then you can assign invoices to this report. You have different ways to do so. Use the button from the list of invoices if you have existing invoices that you want to assign to this report. You can also create new invoices that will be directly assigned to the report, using fast scan or manual entry or email processing. You can also assign an invoice to a report as soon as you create it. This is done via the Report field in the Invoices form. Thank you and see you soon on Expensya!